Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about telephone phrasal verbs. Pick up. To answer the call. Hang up. To end a conversation. Hang on. To wait for a short time. Speak up. To speak louder. Call back. To call someone in return or again. Cut off. To interrupt a conversation. Put through. To connect someone to someone else. Break up. To become inaudible. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Get through. To succeed in speaking to someone. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.